Hi. Today we will learn how to change the default downloads directory from C drive to D drive or other drives easily. Simply go to this PC. Come to Downloads. Right-click, and then Properties. Come to Location. Click on Move. Now select the drive and the folder you want to set as the Downloads folder. Apply. Yes. Now, depending on the size of your C drive downloads folder, it will take time to be copied the files to the newer downloads folder in D drive or so. Now, as you can see that the downloads icon has been changed in the new D drive downloads folder, and from now on all the downloads will be here. If you want, you can simply delete the files on previous downloads. By the same, you can again change the downloads folder back to the original one. This is the easy way to do so. Please like the video. Subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.